Welcome everybody, this is Moses Crypto with you again. Welcome to our channel Moneyfest World. Today I come with a very interesting topic for you guys. I am going to be breaking down the current status of the markets, the crypto world. Let's see what news has affected crypto today in the past few weeks and what do we expect to come in the coming few weeks. So guys, this is going to be an interesting topic. Make sure you watch till the end and leave a comment. Leave a comment guys. Subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Make sure you click the notification bell and get new videos from us. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's dig into it. Alright guys, so let's begin with Bitcoin. As you can see right now, Bitcoin has entered a certain phase which is literally horizontal. So it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just playing around there. But you can notice this. This was a massive spike. It happened on the 3rd of February. And why did it happen? I'm going to explain it a little bit. This happened in all markets across the board. But Bitcoin was even affected least. The most markets which were affected were altcoins. And the biggest altcoin which was affected was Ethereum. Let me show you guys how Ethereum looks like. On the 3rd of February, what happened was massive. Look at this massive. Guys, this is a one-day chart. And look at how massive this happened. It was a massive drop in price coming to test these lows. And you can see it came and touched this level. Let me see, what level is it? As you guys can see here, 2,150. Yep, perfect, around that level. So we came to test this level and it got rejected immediately from that level, which shows you how significant this level was. You can see how many times it got rejected. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Massive rejection. But this huge drop, there is a big reason, because if you look at all the markets, let's just see Doge. Doge also fell on that day, and there is a big reason why that happened, and I'm going to explain to you guys. And one of the biggest reason for that is the US economy. As you guys can see, you can see the Doge, it's playing around there. But guys, on the 3rd of February, you guys can see a massive drop in price. Massive drop in price here. So the price now is trying to recover this massive drop, but it's recovering it with a lot of pressure. It's not easy for it to recover it. So let's go back to Ethereum. So you guys can see what is going on right now is stagnation of the market. It's struggling to recover this massive drop. Why did this drop happen? One thing you should know about cryptocurrencies is simple. They are all affected by markets, especially the US economy. Anything which goes on in the US economy also affects crypto markets. And what happened in the US market? Because somebody can ask that, what happened? And guys, what happened is simple. Donald Trump happened. Donald Trump came and he is placing tariffs left and right. He wanted to place 100% tariffs on China, but then he calmed down and he put only 10% tariffs. But at the same time, he's placing over 60% tariffs on Mexico and I think over 80% tariffs on Canada. And what happens is that most of the goods which come into the US, they come from these countries, China, Canada, and Mexico. They are the biggest exporters to the US. So that means that the more goods which come from outside, the cheaper the prices. But now Donald Trump is placing tariffs on them, and actually on the 3rd, he announced these tariffs. That's when they came out. That means prices are going to go high. And once the prices go high, inflation rises, people start to earn less income. Because yes, people may earn the same amount of income, but they are spending more, which means they have less money to waste, less money to invest. So let me give you an example. If you want to invest, let's say in crypto, let's say you want to invest in any other market, you need to have an extra income which you have on a side for investment. You're not going to use your initial salary to invest. Anything extra is what you use to invest. So the higher the prices, the higher the inflation, the higher this kind of strife in the US economy, the less the amount of money people have to spend around, especially investing in crypto markets and all that. And what happens? The prices of crypto markets stagnate, And you guys, that's why you'll see this massive drop in price first, and then it came to a stagnation. This won't be for long, of course. This won't be for long. This is going to happen for some time. But when this happened, the funny thing happened is that the trading volume, the daily trading volume increased massively. And guys, let me show you. If I include the volume here, you'll be surprised. The trading volume massively increased. Why? Because people saw an opportunity to make money. And in trading, that is what trading is all about. Just look at the massive spike in trading volume here, guys. Look at this. The trading volume increased right here. Why? Because people saw an opportunity to make money. And that is one beautiful thing about trading crypto. Whether the market is going up or down, you will make money. So anybody who sold from here up to here, just imagine. Let's see how much did it fall. Let's see. 33%. That is including all the previous days when it started falling. On this day, it fell around 11%, but including the previous days, it fell over 30%, guys. And people made money. Everybody who sold here made money. So, guys, let me show you. The same thing happened to things like XRP. Let me see, XRP USDT. So the same thing was happening in all these markets. Look at this massive drop here. It's right now that this market is trying to recover. You can see it's trying to recover this massive drop here. It has stagnated here. This is a daily chart. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because so many sellers came in and dropped this market here. And then buyers stepped back in to push the market back up. So that is what is happening. And anything which happens in the US market always affects the crypto world. So guys, whenever you're trading crypto, make sure you pay attention to what is happening in the US market. What is happening on the US calendar? There is a calendar there, guys. I use a calendar here. I have a crypto calendar here. And this was just this week. Look, US Donald Trump speaks. And is there anything good he's going to speak? Of course not. He is going to place more tariffs on more countries. More news from the Fed Chair Powell, also giving bad news about the US market. The US core price index, it came out at from 0.3 to 0.4%. The core price index is the average price of goods in the US. And just like you can see where this is coming from, that the more tariffs they are placed on imports, the higher the prices. So that pushes up the core price index. And the same, you can see the core price index month on month and year on year. It shot up from 2.9 to 3%, from 0.3 to 0.5%. You guys can see. On Thursday yesterday, the same thing. We have the PPI coming out. And you can see how high it's going. All these are prices of goods in the US. Unemployment claims, look, from 217, let me see. From 220 to 217 and then to 213. It came a little down, but that still didn't change the fact that the prices in the market are high. And once their prices are high, guys, there is not enough disposable income people can use to invest in other markets like crypto. So the markets start to fall and you can make money off that. You can make money off that. All you need to do is to sell. That is it. If the markets are falling, you sell. If they are going high, you buy. So guys, what do we expect in the coming days, in the coming weeks? From what I see, there is not much news in the coming weeks. As you guys can see here, we don't have any reds. Most of them are yellow, not much important news. So the market is going to keep on consolidating for some time. Most of the markets actually. Most crypto markets right now, they are consolidating. And if you are a long-term trader, it's best to just chill out this period and don't play around with the market because it's not trending. And I don't like markets which don't trend. I don't like markets which are just stable. I like markets which have a clear trend. So guys, if you're trading, trade carefully in the coming few weeks because Donald Trump is going to shake the world. And once he does that, you will see such things in the market. So be very careful, guys. So guys, we have just looked at what happened to these markets last week. Many of them had a slight drop in this price. And we've just looked at actually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, and we saw what brought about this. And guys, if you want such videos like this, we also talked about what will come into the future. So I know many of you like this, and if you do, leave a like to this video, comment right below here, and also click the notification bell and make sure you get such videos from us. This was Moses Crypto with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again on our channel. Bye-bye.